Hi, welcome to my channel, Data Law, your friend in Vietnam. The topic of today is about requirements for foreign citizens working in Vietnam. A foreign citizen wishing to work in Vietnam must either have work permit or satisfy exemption cases. For those to work in Vietnam with a work permit will comply with the following conditions. Firstly, possessing full civil act capacity. Second, possessing technical or professional qualifications and skills and health appropriate to the work requirement. Third, not being a criminal or subject to penal liability examination according to Vietnamese and foreign laws. Finally, possessing a work permit granted by a competent Vietnamese state agency. Please note, foreign employees working in Vietnam shall comply with labor laws of Vietnam and treaties to which Vietnam is a contracting party, which have different provisions and are protected by Vietnamese law. For those who satisfy exemption cases, don't have to have work permit as follows. Firstly, capital contributing members or owner of limited liability companies. Second, member of board directors of joint stock companies. Third, chiefs of representative offices or directors of projects of international organizations or non-governmental organizations in Vietnam. Fourth, those who stay in Vietnam for under 3 months to offer services for sale. Fifth, those who stay in Vietnam for under 3 months to deal with complicated technical or technological problems that adversely impact or at risk of exerting adverse impact on production and business activities, and these problems cannot be handled by Vietnamese or foreign experts who are currently in Vietnam. 6. Foreign lawyers possessing a professional practice license in Vietnam in accordance with the law on lawyers. 7. It is in accordance with the treaty to which Vietnam is a contracting party, or those who are studying and working in Vietnam, provided the employer shall notify their employment to the provincial level state management agency of labor 7 days in advance, or other cases are stipulated by the government. In this session, we will talk about the application dossier for a work permit, consisting, firstly, the written request for the work permit. Second, the health certificate or report of medical examination, which is issued by the foreign or Vietnamese authorized health organization or agency and take effect within 12 months from the signing date of the conclusion of health status to the date of the application. Third, the criminal record or written certification that the foreign worker is not a criminal or liability to criminal prosecution issued by the foreign competent authority. If the foreign worker is a lawful resident in Vietnam, only the criminal record issued by Vietnamese competent authority is required. Fourth, the written certification that the worker is a manager, chief execution officer, expert, or technician. Fifth, two color pictures. 6. Certified copy of passport or substitute of passport or other license for international travel which is unexpired in accordance with the law. 7. Document related to foreign workers. 8. The application for the work permit in certain special cases. I end the presentation now. I very hope you love the channel. I will be very happy and feel motivated if you subscribe it by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Feel free to send me any your concern, question, suggestion. Enjoy and thank you for your watching.